Congratulations, Victor Isibor. You are hereby shortlisted for an interview for the role of a sales representative in an international organization. We have looked through your CV and we are convinced that you are a perfect fit. However, we want you to attend the interview scheduled for 5th of August, which is going to be a mere formality. Please put up an appearance so that we can discuss the terms of employment. Once again, congratulations. Try, at last, I finally land a job. Omo, it's not easy. After 5 years of graduating, I finally land a job. They said that the interview is just mere formality. I should just put up appearance and come and take the job. But I can't remember applying for any job in this company, and the name of the company is not indicated. Well, they said it's an international company now. International. They even wrote the international in capital letters. And the company is in Port Harcourt, the oil city. Let me just go and find my transport fare. Wear better suits and enter Port Harcourt. Or for the D-Day. I can't miss this.
My dear son, Victor Isibor, I know one day will come you will make me proud. Look at you now. You have landed an international job. They even told you, just come and take the job. Put up appearance for interview. They saw your CV, they shocked. They were impressed with your CV. I didn't have money on me. I had to sell that my old bike and also collected a loan from some of my friends. I know once you resume this work now, you will give me back the money so that we can pay them. So I've given you transport fare plus hotel lodging. So lodge in a comfortable hotel against the interview tomorrow as soon as you arrive in Port Harcourt. I wish you all the best. But do you remember applying for the job, and what is the name of the company?
Daddy, I don't quite remember this particular company. You understand? But as a job seeker, I send my CV far and wide. I apply for jobs, more than 10 jobs on a daily basis via email. It's very easy. And other people too, my friends, fellow job seekers. Some people just call me, Vico, send me your CV. I want to help you to apply somewhere. So it must be one of such companies. Don't worry now. The name is not important. What is important is I have a job with an international company and they are interviewing me tomorrow. Thank you, Daddy. I know I will bring good news for you.
Go well, my son. Go well. Be on your way now so that you can settle into the hotel very well and prepare for your interview tomorrow. Go well.
Oh, what a beautiful damsel. You look so beautiful. You are the most beautiful girl in this entire vehicle. Wow. My name is Victor Isibor. I'm heading to Port Harcourt for a very important official assignment. I don't know if you can give me your number so that we'll talk later.
This man!
It's a pleasure meeting you, but I'm sorry. I don't just give out my number to any Tom, Dick, and Harry. Please.
You don't give your number to Tom, Dick, and Harry. How does that concern me? My name is Victor Isibor.
Jesus!
I'm not Tom, Dick, or Harry. This is the problem most of you people have. Do you know who is seated right here with you? You don't know. You don't know. I'm going to be one of the richest people you have ever met in your life. That's why many of you don't have husbands. Give number. You don't want to give number. Well, it's none of my business. I will ignore you till we get to Port Harcourt. I don't have time for nonsense.
Chai!
Whatever. I don't care, Ogana. You sabi. Hello everybody, my name is Coach Ronke. I want to welcome you all to this interview, but I have good news for you. All the 2,500 people here in attendance, those of you that are in this hall, and everybody that is hanging out outside, we will employ all of you because we have looked at you people and we see that you are worthy of this job, because this job we want to give you is a job that appearance matters, and you all are beautiful people. So to go into more details, my colleague will come and tell you more about the job while I go to my office to prepare the compensation plan and come and show all of you. Is that okay?
Are you playing? What type of playing is this?
Coach Ronke, did I hear you well when you said that you will employ all of us in this hall, plus all the multitude of crowd that is outside?
I know you are excited. But don't worry. Let me go outside, prepare the compensation plan. My colleague will give you more information. When he's done, I'll come and tell you the full gist. Oh, young man, you followed me here. Is Coach Damola done with the presentation?
Coach Ronke, please, he is not done with the presentation, but I think he's making a mistake, so I came to tell you so that you can go and correct him, because he is just saying new life, GNLD, how to sell products, refer to people, balance leg. I don't understand. Maybe you should go and correct him, because me, I came for the international job. The sales rep international job is what me I came for. You understand?
Oh, no.
Oh, you are in the right place. New Life GNLD is a multinational company, and we want to recruit you into our team as a network marketer, which means you are also a sales rep. And if you can refer a lot of people and sell these amazing products, you are going to be very, very rich.
Will you keep quiet?
Madam, you are under arrest.
Wait. No wonder. The moment I found out that the venue of the interview is a public secondary school, I knew something was wrong. I knew something was wrong. And the kind of multitude of crowd I saw, I knew something was wrong. Because the invitation for interview seemed like I was specially chosen, not knowing that over 2,000 people were specially chosen. So you mean that you brought me all the way from Benin to Port Harcourt? My father sold his bike to give me transport fare. I traveled 4 to 5 hours down yesterday. Then I lodged in a hotel. I borrowed suit. I came here because of GNLD.
Are you playing? What type of playing is this? This is playing. Is it by force to send money to people?
You see, I don't care if you are Coach Jose Mourinho or Pep Guardiola. The moment you added coach to your name, I knew something was wrong. All these network marketers, they'll be putting coach in front of their name. Who do you want to coach? Madam, give me my transport fare back to Benin now before I scatter this office. So because of network marketing, you people send out fake job alerts. This will be the last one you will do, madam. Give me my money. Give me my transport fare back to Benin City. Nonsense. I came down here, transport fare and hotel lodging. All the money you must give me now.
Jesus! Jesus! Jesus!